Here's the fastest way to add a watermark in Microsoft Word using the Design tab. By the end, you'll know where Word hides the watermark controls and how to choose text or picture. First, open the Design tab. At the top ribbon, click Design. Watermark sits in the Page Background group on this tab. Then choose Watermark from Page Background. Now pick a preset or custom one. Click Watermark, then pick a preset like Confidential, or choose Custom Watermark for your own text or image. There isn't a single universal shortcut, but Alt-SE gets you close in Word. Pro tip, custom watermarks work best when they're light grey and diagonal, so they don't fight your text. If you're writing a paper, GenText keeps your citations and bibliography organized right inside Word. GenText helps with citations and bibliography while you write.